Good afternoon. One of my client came that he has filed divorce case against husband, and after some time, when the matter was not sorted out, because generally in divorce case it takes so much time, and then she thought what she can do to harass her husband. Then the lawyer suggests him to file 498-406 of IPC against him, and along with his family member also and parents also. So the case was filed, and she has taken all the jewelries and heavy items, but some items were left in law house. That's why 4906 is being lodged, because that is for dowry recovery matter. Because if she is staying for longer time in the matrimonial house, it's essential that some of the luggage is being kept in her matrimonial house, because she cannot take all the her belongings on the one spot. So she filed 498-4906, and the matter has gone to High Court for quashing the FIR, where the High Court was quashed the FIR on that ground, because once the divorce is being filed by the wife, it is unlawful that she has filed 498-406 of IPC. Then again the matter has gone to Supreme Court, where the Supreme Court has also feel very bad and very given different verdict in favor of husband. Once divorce has been filed by the wife, in that ground husband cannot be face trial against 498-406 of IPC, because it is against law, and it is not against the respect of law that once divorce has been filed, she cannot file 498-4906 of IPC. So husband has to chill, enjoy, and if you file this information is very productive, you can use it as reference and you can share who matters regards.